Hi, it's Giaan here again. We're still here at the BIG4 Gold Coast Holiday Park and we're continuing on our Healthy Holidays promotion. Here is my healthy fiery fajitas, and it's great for lunch or dinner, and it's also good for leftovers, so you can put it in the fridge and heat it up the next day. So there's a couple of easy ingredients all designed to add lots of flavour. Firstly, we've got some chopped garlic, some chilli powder. Now you can add as much or as little of this as you like, depending on how much you like your spice. Some cumin, salt and pepper, some oregano, and some lime juice. And the easiest thing is to put all of that together with your chicken. Okay, so I've got all my ingredients together in the bowl with the chicken. I've also added some red and yellow capsicum for flavour and colour. That's all marinating nicely together, and if you wanted to marinate it for longer and put it in the fridge, you can, but I like it when it's nice and quick and easy. So that's already done. My barbecue is hot and ready to go. I'm just going to spray a little bit more oil on there so it doesn't stick. And then we can add our chicken and veggie mixture. We like the sound of the sizzle already. So our chicken is cooked and ready to go. It looks fantastic, and I can tell you it actually smells amazing as well. So it's good to go. All I'm going to do is now heat up our tortillas. So it's simple as, on a sprayed part of the barbecue, put one down, just give it a couple of seconds. It's nice and hot, so it won't take too long. Flip it over. Hopefully you can hear the sizzle. And then that one's ready to go on our plate. I'll do our second one. So all that's left to do is wrap up your tortillas. There is a trick to it, so I like to do it a different way to me. But there you go, my fiery, healthy fajitas. They taste amazing, they smell amazing, and they're easy and good for you.